Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to crochet a beautiful crochet flower pattern. This is very easy to make and perfect for beginners. You can use it for earrings, appliques, home decor or any project you like. Let's get started. I'm going to start with a magic ring, so wrap the yarn around your index finger twice and then insert the hook into the ring, yarn over and pull through the ring. Now we have a magic ring ready, and let's get started with the first round. There we need to chain one first, yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the first chain, and then work 12 single crochets inside the magic ring. So insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through both the loops. This is a single crochet. Again, insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both the loops. Now we have completed 2 single crochets. Like that we will continue. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Now I'm going to leave a little tail and cut the yarn off. And then we will take the hook out, and I'm going to pull this tail a little to close the magic ring like this. Then we can use the yarn needle to hide this tail. After that we will join the round by using the yarn needle. So first of all, thread the yarn needle, and then I'm going to insert the needle into the second single crochet here, not to the first one but to the second one here, and then go back into the last single crochet, insert the needle into both the loops like this, and that joins the round like this. And then we will hide the tail. Like so. And if you have an excess piece, you can just cut it off carefully. And this is what we have completed. Just make sure that you have 12 stitches around. And then we will get started with the second round. There we are going to make the petals of the flower. So to join the pink yarn, what I'm gonna do is just insert the hook into any one of the stitches around, and then we will pull the pink yarn through the stitch like this, and I'm going to work over this tail on this round so that it will get hidden inside the stitches. Now we need to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And then I'm going to go into the very next stitch here and work 3 double treble stitches into the same stitch. To make the double treble, yarn over 3 times, 1, 2 and 3, and insert the hook into the stitch here, the next stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch, Now we have 5 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. Now we have 4 loops on our hook. Again yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Now we have 2 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through 2. Again the second double treble. Yarn over 3 times. Insert the hook into the very same stitch. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Again yarn over and pull through 2. Now we have completed 2 double trebles into the same stitch. This is the third one. And then chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then work a slip stitch into the very next stitch to join the petal. So we will go into the very next stitch here, yarn over, pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. With that we have completed our first petal. This is what it looks like. And then we will get started with the second petal. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and go into the next petal here and work 3 double treble stitches into the same stitch. One, two, and 3. And then chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and work a slip stitch into the very next stitch here. Now we have completed 2 petals. Again chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Work 3 double trebles into the next stitch. One, two, three, chain 4, and work a slip stitch into the very next stitch. Now this is what we need to continue until the end of the round. So we need to complete another 3 petals to complete the flower. So we will just go ahead. Now I have completed up to the last petal, and then we can go into the starting point of the round and work a slip stitch to join the round. And then chain 1, leave a little tail, and I'm going to cut the yarn off. After that, just use the needle to hide the tail. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this easy crochet flower tutorial. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more crochet patterns, and share your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next video.